Eating soy is bad for you. It makes man less manly and it's bad for the environment. I'm so tired of hearing all the widespread misinformation and fear-mongering around soy. I mean, let's face it, a soybean is a legume, like a kidney bean or a white bean. Yes, it contains isoflavones, a type of plant estrogen which functions like human estrogen, but it's so much weaker that it does not have any negative effects on human hormones. In fact, eating soy can be really healthy. It's a complete protein, it contains minerals like copper, iron, or calcium, and fermented soy products like tempeh can even improve your gut health. But what about the deforestation of the Amazon for planting soy? Well, 98% of it is used for animal agriculture. And if you check the labels of soy products, at least here in Germany, you will see that the vast majority comes from Europe. So what now? You don't have to be afraid of soy. It's good for you and it can be good for the planet too.